wine. Candy's on the line. She fill you up with joy and positivity. Yeah. Candy's sweet spot is on time. Candy's sweet spot is so divine. So divine.
What you guys do at school today?
I played tag. I was playing police tag.
Really?
Okay, Gigi, it's time.
Okay, let's have some fun, y'all. Let's go.
Hi friends, this is Tasha. Thank you so much for joining us again this Sunday for Candy's Sweet Spot. We have a sweet treat for you today. This is from chapter 4, titled You Know Who. This poem is called Noise in the Background. Can't listen to the noise in the background. You are not for me, not my people. A pretense of your imagination, not mine. I know it's real. It's noise that's in the midst of the wind that I will not comprehend. Your voice is to destroy. It's really not to be heard. The platform is set for us all to give respect. You take it as time to unwind what's not divine. Do you even know why your words so sharp? Only to destroy and disrespect? It's not even worthy of an action or a response. Words can hurt in the midst of your anger. My heart is on truth. My mind is on fire. I will create because God gave me the desire. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Be sure to come back every Sunday, Candy Sweet Spot, for another sweet treat. Also, be sure to check out our Instagram page as well. Love and light.
Yeah. Candy's sweet spot is on time. Candy's sweet spot is so divine.